Welcome to the Regroup Room, a space for autistic adults to feel held, calmed, and gently supported during moments of overwhelm. I am autistic too, and I have made this space with you in mind, because I know how overwhelming the world can be. I am here with you. If you have found this in a hard moment, I want you to know that is not a failure. It's a signal. You are not broken. You are aware. You are brave. And I will be here with you for the next little while. In today's video, we are going to gently explore something small, strange, and quietly powerful: the hidden world of microbes. There is nothing you have to do. Just listen and follow what feels right. Let's try a breath together. Inhale slowly and steady, holding just for a moment, and exhaling slow and steady. Let's try that again. Inhale, hold, and exhale slow and steady. You might also just notice how your body is breathing already. If today is not the day to control your own breath, that's okay too. You might try putting something weighted on your lap, or pressing your palms together, just to feel the pleasure of pressure. During our time together, it is okay to stim. It is okay to move, or just to be still. You are allowed to just be. Did you know that a single teaspoon of soil holds more living organisms than there are people on Earth? Beneath our feet, invisible to the eye, entire ecosystems thrive. Bacteria, fungi, viruses, and other microscopic life. These beings live, die, evolve, and communicate in ways that we can barely imagine. Scientists studying metagenomes examine the entire genetic makeup of these communities, searching for traces of life we can't even isolate in labs. Many of these species are still unnamed. Some may never be discovered, but they are there. And even though we cannot see them, their work matters. They break down waste, feed plants, clean water, and balance ecosystems. Some microbes make vitamins in our guts. Others cycle nutrients through forests. Some drift for miles in the wind. Others survive in boiling hot springs or deep inside Antarctic ice. Their existence expands what we think life can be. Microbes were among the first life forms on Earth, and maybe among the last. They've survived every mass extinction. Their strategies are not based on domination or visibility, but on quiet adaptation and interconnection. I think about that a lot as an autistic person. We are often encouraged to be louder, more visible, more typical. But survival isn't always about standing out. And that is my cat having the zoomies in the background, by the way. Sometimes it's about finding rhythms that work for us, even if they look different from everyone else's. Microbes help plants grow, help us digest food, and can even break down oil spills and pollution. They can also change rapidly. Superbugs, which are bacteria resistant to antibiotics, are a growing global concern. It's scary, but also fascinating. These tiny beings adapt faster than almost anything on Earth. They remind us that small does not equal weak. Invisible does not mean unimportant. It just means different. And as autistic people, our adaptations are often invisible too. The sensory strategies, the scripts, the hidden labor of fitting into a world not designed for us. It might go unseen, but it is resilient. It is real. It is worthy of respect. Did you know there are microbes that communicate using chemical signals? Whole conversations happen between bacterial colonies using scent, energy, and even vibration. Sometimes I think autistic communication is just like that. Not always loud, not always typical, but deeply rich if you know how to listen. There are bacteria that exchange DNA like we exchange ideas, quietly, selectively, meaningfully. Isn't that beautiful? The idea that knowledge and evolution don't always require shouting. Sometimes they happen through subtle, intentional connection. There are microbes that glow in the dark, ones that create tiny structures that filter water, others that form communities called biofilms, layered and complex, where each cell has a different job. Just like the autistic community, many microbes find strength in community. Sometimes our communities are small and niche, like this one, but they're often creative, interdependent, and profoundly adaptive. Some microbes go dormant for years, waiting for the right conditions to flourish. That reminds me of the autistic people who finally thrive after finding supportive environments later in life. We are not late bloomers. We just needed the right soil. I like thinking about microbes when I feel like I don't belong, when I feel too different, or too isolated. They remind me not everything important can be seen, and not everything valuable makes noise. Some of us regulate quietly. Some of us go unnoticed. But that does not mean we are not needed. You might feel like that sometimes. Invisible or misunderstood. But you are real. And my friend, you are so valid. Your presence ripples outward in ways others may never fully understand. But there is a kind of peace in knowing that you don't have to prove your worth to exist. Microbes don't ask for permission to take up space. They just live, adapt, and do their beautiful work. And you can too. If science that sparks the imagination brings you joy, I would like to gently recommend a channel I love. Andreszilla. It's hosted by my friend Andres, and his videos are full of fascinating, thoughtful explorations of mystery and science. And the channel is in Spanish, but even if you don't speak it fluently, the passion and creativity shine through. They are also soothing voiceover videos, which feel like a cozy, curious companion on a thoughtful day. His work has a kind of quiet wonder to it, just like the microbes we've been exploring. The link is in the video description below. There is no right way to feel right now, but I hope you feel a little less alone. You did a brave thing by pressing play. You are allowed to rest. And if you have appreciated this space, one made by and for autistic adults, free from patronization or infantilization, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the Regroup room. It helps others find their way here too. You are always welcome back whenever you need a moment to regroup.